How to make microwavable heat packs. A heated pack feels great on cold feet during a winter evening, but it is well known that heat helps soothe sore muscles. Applying heat to sore muscles helps soothe tightness and helps to promote better blood flow. It is even said to be more effective than cold therapy when treating muscle and arthritis pain. 1. Gather materials. The basis of every great craft project begins with the gathering of materials. You will need these items: thread, filling, corn, rice, barley, oatmeal, beans, cherry pits, 2 pieces of cotton material. Additionally, you could add a few drops of an essential oil to further promote healing. 2. Pin. Pin the edges of your 2 cotton material pieces. Make sure the backside of the fabric is on the outside. Pinning them together ensures a straight sewing line and prevent any issues with unevenness. 3. Sewing. This is the part where things get a bit tricky. Use the pins as a sewing guide. Be sure to remove them as you go. Leave a section open so you can flip the fabric and fill. 4. Iron. Turn the newly sewed heat pack the other way around and press using an iron. Of course, this step can be skipped, but it helps the finished result to look better. 5. Fill. Here comes the best part. Use a funnel to help get the rice fully in. This helps to prevent a mess. Do not fill the bag more than halfway full. Once filled, pin the open section and sew up the hole. 6. Enjoy. Use your newly acquired heat pack to warm your cold feet or soothe the tense muscle in your back. Begin microwaving at 2 minutes, and increase the time as you feel necessary. If sewing machines scare you, you can always fill an old sock with rice and simply tie it up. No effort is required.